All unicellular eukaryotes come under kingdom Protista. The members of this kingdom are aquatic. Chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds, and protozoans are the different categories of kingdom Protista. Since these organisms are eukaryotes, they contain a well-developed nucleus and other membrane-bound cell organelles. Some members have either flagellum or cilium for the movement. Chrysophytes include diatoms and golden algae. These organisms are microscopic and the cell walls form two thin overlapping shells which fit together as in a soap box. These are photosynthetic and are the chief producers in the oceans. The cell walls are made of silica which is indestructible. Thus, diatoms have left behind large amount of cell wall deposition in their habitat. This accumulation over billions of years is referred to as diatomaceous earth. This can be used in polishing and filtration of oils and syrups. Dinoflagellates are the colorful protists found in both marine and freshwater. Depending on the pigments in their body, they appear yellow, green, brown, blue or red. Sometimes a red dinoflagellate, for example Goniolax, multiplies very rapidly and gives a red color to the sea, and this condition is called red tide. They produce a toxin which is harmful to other aquatic organisms including fishes. Dinoflagellates usually have two flagella. One is longitudinal and the other one is transverse. Euglenoids also have two flagella. One is short and other is long. Instead of cell wall, euglenoids have a protein-rich layer called pellicle. This makes their body flexible. Euglenoids contain chloroplast and hence in the presence of sunlight, they are autotrophic, that is they prepare their organic food like that of plants. But in the absence of sunlight, they behave like heterotrophs. Slime molds are saprophytic protists, that is they live on dead organic matter. They form a huge aggregation called plasmodium. During unfavorable condition, the plasmodium differentiate to form fruiting bodies which contain spores at their tip. The spores have thick walls which is highly resistant and survive for many years under adverse conditions. Protozoans are protists which are believed to be primitive relatives of animals. Protozoans are heterotrophs and live as predators or parasites. Protozoans are classified into four types: amoeboid protozoans, flagellated protozoans, ciliated protozoans, and sporozoans. Amoeboid protozoans live in fresh water, seawater or moist soil. They use false feet called pseudopodia to move and capture their prey. Entamoeba is a protozoan which is a parasite. Flagellated protozoans have flagella. They are either free-living or parasitic. Trypanosoma is a parasite which causes diseases like sleeping sickness. Ciliated protozoans like Paramecium can be found in all places where there is water. They possess thousands of cilia all over their body. The coordinated movement of cilia helps in the ingestion of food through the gullet. Sporozoans are organisms having an infectious spore-like stage in their life cycle. Plasmodium is the most famous sporozoans. It causes malaria in humans, which is also called as malarial parasite.